Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer all data from Android to Android. If you are using Android phones and now you want to transfer your phone's data, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open an application which is Easy Share in your phone. If you can't get it, you can easily search in your phone just like that. Just search for Easy Share. But if you can't get it in your phone, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open Play Store and here just go for search bar and search for easy share. Just search for this and then open the app, and here you just have to install it. As I have already installed, just tap open to open the app. I'm going to transfer my data from this phone to this phone, so let's see how. Here you just have to open the same app in the second phone, and here select file transfer in both, just like that. And here you have to select send or receive option on which phone you want. I'm going to send data from this phone. Just tap on send here, and I'm going to receive data from this phone. Just tap on receive, and here it will scan for the phone. Here's the phone, and here you can easily get the name of the phone. Here's the SM A165F, and here's the same phone. Just tap on it to connect with, just like that. If you can't get it, you can easily select scan to connect. Just tap on it and it will be connected. As you can see, the devices are connected, so now you can easily transfer your data. And here the apps, videos, images, music, files, and contacts, you can easily select which one you want to send. Just select that, select all data. If you want to send all data, just select all apps, videos, images, and here music, files, and the contacts. Just select, and here select send option to send all of your data to the second phone. So in this way you can easily transfer all data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.